Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be solving this mind-blowing algebraic equation. Now I'm going to start by writing this. So now this 1 over x now is the same thing as x raised to the power of minus 1 or raised to the power of x equal to, now this is according to the law of indices, equal to this. Now I'm going to split this, so here will be 4 raised to the power of x multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 16. Then from here now, I'm going to divide both sides of this entire equation by 4 raised to the power of x. So we say, yes, I divide here by 4 raised to the power of x, and I also divide here by 4 raised to the power of x. I did this because I want this 4 raised to the power of 1 over 16 to be alone in the right hand side. Now, so we continue again now. Now, if we look at this left hand side, the numerator has a power of x and the denominator has a power of x. So since they has the same power, of x, we can simply write this left hand side as, we open a bracket, so here will become x raised to the power of minus 1 all over this 4. Now all of them now they raised to the power of what? X equal to this equal to sign now. Now 4 raised to the power of x, we divide 4 raised to the power of x. So we're now left with 4 raised to the power of 1 over 16. So I'm going to put it here now. Then now, from here now, I can say that, I open a bracket again. I can say that x raised to the power of minus 1, this x raised to the power of minus 1, we divide this 4. Divide 4. All raised to the power what? X. Then equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 16. Then from here now, I'll open a bracket again now. This x raised to the power of minus 1 now is the same thing as 1 all over x, according to the law of indices. So here will now be divide 4, close my bracket, all raised to the power of x equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 16. Then now let's continue. Now we know that this 4 here now is the same thing as 4 all over 1. Then open a bracket again. We have 1 all over x. Now this divide sign now, I'm going to transform it to multiplication sign. And if I do that, this 1 is going to go up and the 4 will come down. So we have 1 all over 4. Close my bracket, all raised to the power of x equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 16. Then from here now, we'll open our bracket again now. 1 is going to multiply 1, so we have 1 here all over x multiplied by 4. That will give us what? 4x. Then close our bracket, all raised to the power of x equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 16. Then from here now, this left hand side, I'm going to still open my bracket again now. Now I can, this expression inside this bracket, now I can write it in this way. I will say 4 raised to the power of x raised to power minus 1, according to the law of indices. Then all raised to the power of x equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 16. Then from here now, my next step now will be to raise both sides to the power of minus 4. So I'm going to raise both sides to the power of what? Minus 4. So I'm going to write this first. I'll say 4x raised to the power of minus 1 raised to power x equal to 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 16. So now I'm going to raise both sides now to the power of minus 4. So we say, put my bracket here, open another bracket here. Now I'm raising this side now to power what? Minus 4. Then also this right hand side, I'm going to raise it to the power of minus 4. Now, my next step now will be to, multiply all the powers together. So that's minus 1 multiplied by x multiplied by minus 4. So that will give us what? 4x. So we can write this whole left hand side as 4 raised to the power 4x raised to the power of what? 4x. Minus 1 multiplied by x multiplied by minus 4 will give me what? This 4x here. Then all equal to minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 16 is going to give me minus 1 over 4. So we can write this now as 4 raised to the power of minus 1 all over 4. Then now I'm going to continue. So we say this 4x raised to the power of 4x equal to, now this expression here now is the same thing as 1 all over 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 4. Now this is according to the law of what? Indices. The minus will turn to what? 1 all over. So this is 1 over 4. Then now my next step will now be, I'm going to write this now, 4x raised to the power of 4x equal to, then now this is what? 1. So I can write this 1 now, this particular 1 as what? 1 raised to the power of 1 all over 4 all over 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 4. Now this 1 and this 4 now they have the same power, so we can simply write this as, we'll continue again, we'll say 4x raised to the power of 4x equal to, now since they have the same power, this one has the same power of 1 over 4 and this 4 have a power of 1 over 4, I can write this expression at the right hand side as 1 all over 4 raised to the power of 1 all over 4. Now the next step now will be to compare. See, the power here is 4x raised 4x, and it's also, and the power at this side now is also what? 1 over 4. So the power here is 4x, the power here is what? 1 over 4. Why the power here again is what? 4x. The base here is 4x and the base here is what? 1 over 4. So I can simply say that what? 4x is equal to 1 all over 4. Then from here now I can cross multiply. So 4x multiplied by 4, we have what? 16x equal to 1. Then from here now I can say that x is equal to 1 all over 16. So this is my final solution to this equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.